it's Emma Nørgaard. So today I'm doing this eye look. We are doing another Flashback Friday. So today we're using a trio by Essence. So this is called the Essence Smoky Eye Set. So it's just a very neutral all shimmer palette or trio. So I did this eye look. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. I am really sorry that I've been MIA. I didn't post at all last week. It was not my intention. Just things came up. I had an exam and I'd been struggling a lot with anxiety, and a friend of mine's mother passed away. It has just not been a good time. I actually sat down Monday and filmed a video, but it was just a hot mess. And I actually filmed 2 other makeup looks and it was looking terrible. Like even this look is not super fierce, but I think it's doable. I think the lashes saved the look. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys still like the look even though it's not my best work. Yeah, I'm gonna get moving. So if you like the look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, here comes the tutorial. Okay, so this is the trio. So it's the Essence Smoky Eye Set in number 2, Smoky Day. And I'm going to start out with the taupe. And I'm going to apply this color on the inner half of my lid. And I already have my P.Louise base on. And after that I'm going to take the dark brown and I'm going to apply it on the outer half of the lid. And I'm going to drag it out in the outer corner. And I'm going to drag it along the lash line. And I'm going to overlap the 2 colors. So now I'm taking the highlight color and I'm going to apply that on the brow bone before we start blending. And I take it all the way in. And now I go ahead and blend out the colors. So I start with the taupe and I'm using a small blending brush and I just blend it softly upwards. And then the dark brown. So now with the taupe color on my finger, I just pat it right on the lid. So I'm going to use my LA Colors liquid liner and I'm going to do a cat eye. We ain't perfect, no. It's a work in progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Okay, so now I'm combing through the lashes to get the eyeliner out. And I'm going to curl the lashes. And apply a single coat of mascara. So now I'm going to apply my lash. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in and I guess I kinda like that. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Drama eyeliner to line my tight line. For the first time you really okay, so I put on my face and lip makeup and I took a little bit of the highlight color right in the inner corners. But other than that, this is the finished look. I'm not doing anything on the bottom. I feel like it looks really cute like this, just with the eyeshadow on top, and also I'm just so exhausted. So I'm gonna leave it at this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can click the bell to get post notifications. I will see you guys in my next video, so take care and bye bye.